Ikunin update Jaren Gutierrez and Jericho Rosales. Jaren Gutierrez and losing grandmoms, it's been difficult and even unbelievable. Jericho Rosales kaganapan later sa Sorsogon. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back po muli sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video, update Jaren Gutierrez and Jericho Rosales. Jaren Gutierrez on losing grandmom, it's been difficult and even unbelievable. Samantala, Jericho Rosales kaganapan mamaya sa Sorsogon. Jaren Gutierrez balik trabaho na kahapon pagkatapos nga. Ito nga ang ibinahaging mensahe ni Jaren Gutierrez sa kanyang Instagram note. Ayan, it's the first time in 10 days that I'm not at a week. This Holy Week, my siblings and I lost two lolas, mama and papa's mothers. Kakauwi lang namin galing sa week ni Mamita ng mga alas 4 ng hapon noong Abril 16. Pagdating ng alas 10 ng gabi, tumawag na ulit yung kapatid ko sa chapel para kumuha ng kwarto para naman kay mamagay. It's been difficult and even unbelievable, but all throughout you have helped us so much with your support and love. Thank you so much for your thoughts and prayers. We love you so much. Everyone who sent a message, dropped by, or had us and our lolas in your mind. Initially, I blocked off the week to travel but decided to just spend it at home. Sabi ko magayos na lang ako ng bahay at mag-aral ng script. Buti na lang hindi na ako umalis. Mamita passed away on my first pray day. And we buried Mama Guy on my last. Driving to my location today, I think of my two new angels and how they always powered through. I think of how I continuously make them proud. It gives me comfort to know there are many of us who will always have them in our hearts. Thank you. So ayan nga ang ibinahaging mahabang notes ni Janine para sa kanyang mga fans. And samantala, Jericho Rosales kaganapan naman mamaya sa Sorsogon. Kasi nga usually pag Holy Week guys, nagano sila ni Janine nag-outing kasama yung buong pamilya niya. Yun talaga kadalasan nila ginagawa. Tulad last year, nag-outing sila nun. And campaign rally with special guest Jericho Rosales, April 24, 2025, 6 p.m. Sorsogon Sports Complex. So yun lang guys, if you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe again and again. See you on my next update for Iko rin abangan sa Iko later.